Welcome to Brooklyn Place in Comox. I'm Koch-Schulte, and I'm a realtor with Roy LePage here in the Comox Valley. Welcome to this lovely home. It's got everything, including a 2-bedroom in-law suite. Fully renovated, 3 bedrooms upstairs, brand new kitchen, new floors, new bathrooms. It's beautiful. And it's in a fantastic area of town, the end of a cul-de-sac. This is a great location. We're within 20 minutes walk of the beach, the marina, or downtown Comox. Fabulous, quiet neighborhood. We're surrounded by all levels of schools. Enjoy the Balmoral walking trail to get downtown. And Comox Marina and downtown shops and restaurants, ideal. The upper level of this home has 3 bedrooms, and it's a popular open concept design. We've got a new kitchen with butcher block counters and a renovated main bathroom. The 2-bedroom in-law suite, also fully renovated with beautiful flooring and a gas fireplace. This yard is wonderful. It's got irrigation, 2 apple trees, and this deck, 3 years new. And the double-car garage is perfect. It can be used as a workshop. Some might call it a she shed or a man cave. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Brooklyn Place in Comox. Remember, it's better in person. So if you've got any further questions or you want to arrange your own tour, please call my team, myself, or talk to your realtor and come see this place in person.